Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to set up crypto payments in WHMCS if you're looking to accept digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin for your web hosting services. You're in the right place. Let's get straight into the process. Step 1. Choosing your plugin first. You'll need to pick a WHMCS Crypto Payment Gateway plugin. Some popular options are Now Payments, CoinGate, and BTC Pay Server. Make sure to choose one that supports the cryptocurrencies you want to accept. Step 2. Downloading and installing. Next, download the plugin from the developer's website or the WHMCS Marketplace. Follow the installation instructions provided by the plugin developer. This usually involves copying the plugin files into the correct WHMCS folder. In my case, I've chosen to use CoinGate. I downloaded the CoinGate WHMCS extension from the WHMCS Marketplace. It'll come as a zip archive, which we'll need for the next steps. After downloading, I extracted the zip archive and uploaded the files to the webroot directory using an FTP client. Here's how I did it. I connected to my server through FTP. I used FileZilla for this. Next, I navigated to the webroot directory where all my WHMCS files are stored. Then I uploaded the extracted CoinGate extension files into the correct directories. Step 3. Configuring the plugin. Now it's time to configure the plugin. Go to your WHMCS admin panel. Navigate to Configurations to System Settings, Payment Gateways. Select the All Payment Gateways tab. Search and select your installed crypto payment gateway. Once you've installed and activated your payment gateway in WHMCS, you'll see a success message. Now, let's configure the options on this page to get everything set up correctly. Enter the required details and activate your payment gateway. Step 4. Confirm activation. Once you've configured everything, go to your WHMCS admin panel, head to the Payment Gateways section and select Manage Existing Gateways. Check if the new payment gateway is listed among the activated payment gateways. This makes it available for your customers to use at checkout. Step 5. Test the integration. Before you go live, it's crucial to test everything. Place a test order using the crypto payment option and verify the payment process. After testing, keep an eye on your transactions for accuracy and to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. And that's it. You're now set up to accept crypto payments in WHMCS. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.